Hello, everyone. So I came up with an idea as I was working today. Well, yesterday, Sunday, February 7th, 2021. Today it is February 8th, obviously 1:44 a.m. And I was thinking about like a machine, kind of like the drill that will make the hole or holes into the 2x4s for wooden homes for electrical. So basically, you'll put two screws and then click on the like a button, and it'll just make the hole for you. So you just kick back for 5 minutes, let it do the hole for you. Once it's done, remove the two screws, move on to the next board, and the next one, the next one. That simple. Anyway, so I just had a thought, and a lot of people got released from prison, and then they were happy to be out. They are happy, they're super happy to be out. And then there are some gunshots, and the guy was like, "Oh, who cares? Who cares? The computer, no, the cameras captured all of it. I'm sure of it. Let's just go have fun." It was a joke. Like they know who the shooter is, so why even worry? Thank God for the World Wide Web.